Assalamu alaikum. My name is Suzanne Audi, and I'm a food technologist with the Islamic Food and Nutrition Council of America, or IFANCA for short. I'm here today to talk to you about halal and mashbooh food. Have you heard of the words halal, mashbooh, or haram? Do you also know what they exactly mean? You might know that halal is an Arabic word, which means permitted or allowed. For Muslims, halal food is what they can eat. Do you also know that the opposite of halal is called haram? Haram basically means not allowed or not permitted. Okay, so now what does mashbooh mean? Mashbooh means something that is doubtful or questionable because you don't know where it originated from. It means that we need more information about the food product's ingredients to make sure they're halal. Pork and alcohol are the two main ingredients that are haram, so we definitely do not use them in making halal foods. Unfortunately though, deciding whether a product is halal or haram can get confusing when we look at a list of ingredients on a food package. Even if the list doesn't have pork or alcohol, what can you tell when you read items such as enzymes, emulsifiers, flavorings, colors, processing aids, caking agents, or gelatin? Some of these are not even listed on the ingredients panel. Did you know that companies sometimes don't have to list all these ingredients? Some really common questions we food technologists get asked are, how can my canned beans not be halal? Does toothpaste really need to be certified? And also, come on now, are you saying my bread is not halal? I know. It's hard to check. But just because there's no pork or alcohol in an ingredient list does not automatically mean the product is halal. So how do we know which foods are mashbooh, questionable? And how can you tell if they are halal or haram? The thing about figuring mashbooh ingredients is to think about where they come from. What's their source? Is it plant-based or is it animal-based? If it's animal-based, is it pork or is it chicken or beef? If it's something other than pork, was the animal slaughtered in an Islamic manner? Finally, there are many ingredients used to improve appearance, texture, and shelf life of a final product. For example, salad dressings need to be creamy, so food companies use emulsifiers, which could either be from plants or could be from animals. Cakes need to be light and airy, so food manufacturers use additives like monoglycerides or diglycerides. Again, this additive could either be plant or animal-based. You can't know for sure unless you investigate the source. These are all serious issues for halal consumers. The easiest solution is to look for a reliable halal symbol. We at the Islamic Food and Nutrition Council of America use the crescent M symbol to certify food halal. When you see the crescent M symbol, you know the product's ingredients have been thoroughly checked by our auditors and food technologists. We make sure all ingredients are halal, from halal sources, and processing and packaging is clean. To learn more about the halal and mashbooh, visit our website at www.ifanca.org.